With the roof like overwhelming, shadow of my secret, shadow room, yeah, of my secret bed. ขอบคุณครับ Welcome 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 to Nature Bar ขอบคุณครับยินดีต้อนรับสู่ Nature Bar ครับ I think okay from brother come back and one song better Okay, and one song and take a break. Did you know you're talking about little roses and what come up to spell? Did you know you're talking about little roses and why they standing above my life? Crying, get the step on the time of prison. Which you died in the course of your life. Sit around, waiting for a motion. You're talking about revolutions. We'll be prepared right now. Get that chance. We're gonna rise up. How you take one step? Don't you better run, 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 run. Or is it better run, 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 run. Finally the devil understands the devil. Talking about confusion. Finally the devil understands the devil. Talking about confusion. Oh Lord. Talking about illusion, oh Lord. Why did you stay above my life? Crying, get your step on the time of persuasion. Waste your time in the poor commit lines. Sit around, waiting for a motion. And you know you're talking about revolutions. Don't let me there, run, 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 run. Oh, is it me there, run, 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 run. Yeah. Finally the devils I stand in the talking about revolution. Finally the devils I stand in the talking about revolution. Oh Lord. ผมครับ take a break, see you again in 20 and 30 minutes.
Это ключевое слово. Я бы хотел суть узнать. Написано себя. Только с тобой. Мне кажется, надо выпить.
Look in your eyes. Oh no, I still smile. Everything is done. I thought that told you lying. I thought they heard me sing. I think I thought I saw you cry. Oh, singing up broken hands, sorry.
For the real rockstar.
You want to listen or? Okay.
Happen to Bob Dylan.
Okay,
It's
no
okay.
problem. I have a 5 things. I will some.
Были руки. One more song and for tonight, and we have a DJ from Russia, from Moscow and St. Petersburg. Yeah. Brother, where you home อ่ะ call อ่ะครับขอบคุณครับขอบคุณครับ Brother Face ขอบคุณครับ Опасная штука, Сергей. กผู้มีเกียรติทุกท่านนะครับ Thank you for customer ก่อนที่มาแก้คนสุดท้าย Thank you for drummer Big Pun tomorrow ครับ Thank you so much for my friends Thank you so much ขอบคุณครับ See you again Thank you
Again and again and again.
again and again ขอบคุณครับ with the AV DJ See Billy Beast Boo was here every night and every day they go there Billy Beast Boo stay here take care my friend